It's a failure there at 114 and a quarter, right guys? And did actually get short. And not going to be aggressive holding big positions unless it's above 114 and holding. Day is young. In the long run, you like to think that stock prices move to something that is a value based on their earnings and their growth and things of that nature. But what I've found over my 15 years of trading, most of the time, the vast majority of the time, things move on psychology of traders and investors. Short-term traders are going to make a large percentage of their money in that first 90 minutes of trading from 9:30 to 11. All right, I'm going to start getting ready for the morning meeting. Good morning, everyone. We're set for a very exciting day in the market again. I want to recap a little bit for you what happened overnight. Traders want movement in the market, whether it's up or down. Traders' lifeblood is movement. Today, because the market is so in play, everything is bright red and the numbers are very high. Typically, if something has over a 3, we consider it to be in play. You can see the top of the list is a 13, 13, 7, 6. That means there's a lot of action. Even the market overall, you can see, is ranked as a 3.8. Normally, the market is at a 1, that's neutral. A 3.8 is unprecedented. I don't think I've ever seen the market at a higher than a 3.8 in play ranking. And that lets me know that I want to be actively involved in the market and just really trading heavy volume and just keep at it all day. Be real! Normally, on a given day, I might trade 60 or 70,000 shares. Today, I might trade 300,000 or 400,000.
Go for a walk, man. Go for a walk. Go for a walk, bro. Go for a walk. Tomorrow's another day.
The main thing is, if you're suffering losses, is to take a step back and say, hey, am I suffering losses because the market's not trading particularly well, or am I suffering losses because I'm doing something poorly? And that's the main thing that takes people out of the game eventually. This computer trading over here that we have set up actually trades in an hourly time frame, so it actually doesn't have to think that quickly. It's basically looking at hourly trends and daily trends, and so it's only making probably about 5 or 6 trades a day, whereas traders on our desk could be making 100 or 200 trades a day. In this type of environment, I would say the edge goes back to the human traders over the machines, because we can judge changes in trends more quickly than machines can, believe it or not. Every other time I've seen the market sell off like this for a week or two, we've had a massive rally. And so I still think the odds are in that favor. I'm looking for this 4 to 6 point move in the market, and I'm getting a 2-point move. I'm taking some off, but I'm like holding, looking for the bigger play where I can really just sink my teeth into it. It just hasn't happened. Guys, in the next minute, we should move strongly away from the SPY's 115 if we're going. Just give it about a minute.
This closed about 2/3 of the positions, booked about $250,000.